Hi DIYers, this is Michael from Alarm Grid, and today I'm going to show you how to pair a Kwikset Z-Wave Lock with your Honeywell Lyric Alarm System. Now the advantage to pairing a Kwikset Z-Wave Lock with your Honeywell Lyric is that you'll be able to control the lock from the panel, and you'll also be able to control it from Total Connect 2.0 if you are monitored and you have access to that service. As a Z-Wave device, the lock will automatically get pushed over to Total Connect 2.0. You'll be able to control it remotely using your smartphone. You'll be able to control it using web browser. You can include it with smart scenes so that it activates automatically based on predetermined system events or on a set schedule. You can include it with other devices in the same scene, so have your lights turn on and your door lock at the same time. It's very cool, and you just get started by pairing it with your Lyric system. Now, before you go and include it with your Z-Wave network, it's always a good idea to clear it from the network first. That wipes out any residual Z-Wave network information. Sometimes these locks are paired with networks before leaving the factory for testing purposes, so it's always a good idea to clear it from the network first before you go and include it. So I'm going to show you the clearing process and the inclusion process. And you can see on the lock that we've removed the front cover so we can access the inclusion-exclusion button. This is the A button here that's used for inclusion-exclusion. Don't worry about this B button over here, that's for other purposes. But you're going to use the A button for inclusion and exclusion. So with that out of the way, let's get to it. Let's go on our Lyric system here. So we have our Lyric system here. It's in our ready to arm mode. It's ready for anything pretty much. We're going to choose automation. We're going to press the down arrow and we're going to go to tools. And we're going to choose exclude devices first. I know we're eventually going to pair it with the system, but we want to clear it from the network first to wipe out any residual Z-Wave network information. So it's ready to exclude. So now we have our lock, and we're going to press the A button on the lock. And it says that an unknown device has been excluded. That was the lock. The Lyric recognized the lock, and it wiped out any residual network information. So with the lock excluded, we're now ready to complete the pairing process. And to do that, we press the back arrow to return to the Z-Wave menu, and we just click on Include Devices. And now the Lyric's in its inclusion mode. We press the same button on the lock, and it found the device. It's going to enroll it, which takes a brief moment. And we can just click Done here. And you see the Kwikset Lock has been added to the system at a node 14. So it is paired with the system. And we can back out. So as you can see, when you go back into the automation menu, you see that some locks are still not ready. That's completely normal. It usually takes a few minutes for the lock to finish fully enrolling. So you won't be able to control it from the Lyric system quite yet, but in a few minutes you should be able to. If I click on the lock button, you see that the lock 241, that's the lock we just enrolled. It's still not ready, so if you just give it a few minutes, then you'll be able to control it from your system, and it will also get pushed over to Total Connect 2.0, provided that you have monitoring service and access to TC2. So that's how you include a lock with your Honeywell Lyric system, your Kwikset Z-Wave Lock. Remember to exclude first and then perform the inclusion process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below to like the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel to get updates on future videos. And if you have any questions about Kwikset Z-Wave Locks or your Lyric system, or if you want to become an Alarm Grid monitored customer, send us an email at support@alarmgrid.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.